Hello and welcome to How to Play Going to Boston, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the dice game Going to Boston. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or more players. To play, you will need 3 dice. The object of the game is to win the most rounds. A round is won by having the highest total dice amount among all players. Each player will roll 1 die to start. The player with the highest number rolled will go first. Player 3 rolled the high 6 and will go first. A player will roll 3 times on a turn. After the first roll, the player will keep the highest number rolled. Then, the player will roll the remaining 2 dice, and again will keep the higher number rolled. Finally, the player will roll the 1 remaining die. The player's score is the total of the 3 dice and is recorded. Play moves left to the next player. Player 1 will roll 3 times, keeping the highest number rolled each time. Player 1's score is totaled and recorded. Play moves left again. Player 2 rolls 3 times and keeps the highest number rolled each time. Player 2's score is totaled and recorded. After each player has rolled, the player with the highest score from the round wins the round. An agreed upon number of rounds are played, and the player that wins the most rounds wins the game. If players tie in a round for highest score, the tying players will each take another turn rolling to break the tie. If players tie for overall rounds won after the agreed upon amount of rounds, the tying players will compete in 1 more round. That wraps up How to Play Going to Boston. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.